Life takes courage. Every day we have our strength tested by the trials and tribulations of the human existence. And some days it can really just feel like it's too much. It takes courage to grow up and become who you really are. When you make a commitment to be true to yourself and to your dreams, endless possibilities appear. The first step is to take an honest look at who you are today and think about the person who you would like to become tomorrow. Take some time to think about what it is that you believe will bring even more happiness to your life, and tell yourself that it is absolutely possible to achieve anything. Courage is what it takes to stand up and speak. Courage is also what it takes to sit down and listen. If we don't have courage, we can't practice other virtues consistently. Courage is not the absence of fear, but it is the judgment that something else is more important than fear. Being courageous is everything. Have faith in yourself, to be true to yourself, and to have the courage to do what it takes to achieve your goals. Pursuing your passion and being yourself requires a tremendous amount of inner strength, and it's important to constantly recognize and appreciate the confidence that it takes to follow your heart and your dream. Even when others may disagree with your decision, if you feel that what you are doing is right for your life, then it is important to stand firm in what you have chosen to do and chosen to be. Courage is contagious. Be with people who are courageous. Never be discouraged. Courage is grace under pressure. A great deal of talent is lost to the world for want of little courage. Fate loves the fearless. Failure is unimportant. It takes courage to make a fool of yourself. Any intelligent fool can make a problem bigger and more complex. It takes a touch of genius and a lot of courage to move in the opposite direction. Without risk, you will accomplish nothing in life. Don't go with the flow. Life often gives us a challenge to test our courage and willingness to change when we least expect it. At such moment, there is no point in pretending that nothing has happened or thinking that we are not yet ready. The challenge will not wait. Life does not look back. Life shrinks or expands in proportion to courage. We should have courage not to be disappointed with what we encounter. Do what you can with what you have. Don't hold yourself back. You are the only one who can stop yourself from reaching your highest potential. And it's crucial that you don't get in your own way. You are a lot stronger than you might even realize. You can conquer any challenge. You have much to offer this world. Thank you for helping yourself and helping me in return.